Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, welcome to your program. Exciting po ang ating hapon because magaganap po ang kanilang first interview together. I'm talking about mother and daughter. Sino kaya ang mas balingkinitan at mas maganda? Malalaman ho natin yan. One of our favorites. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Cheryl Cruz, Nicole Sonora. Walang kupas. Hello, Nicole. Please, welcome to the program. Kumusta? Kumusta kayong dalawa? Thank you for honoring us with your first interview together.
We should be thanking you po.
Maraming salamat.
Kuya Boy, I'm so excited because finally I get to introduce to you my sister.
You know, I was about to say that. Naunahan mo lamang ako. Di ba? Ageless.
Ageless.
How old are you now?
I'm 24 na po.
I am hungry.
I'm hungry.
You're 24, I'm hungry. Kumusta yung inyong relasyon?
I'd say po, she's parang my protector but also my peer. Minsan po. Pero mostly, pag nagchichikahan po kami, gossip po. Pag yung sa school ko, about boys, sa kanya po, lahat alam niya po.
No, but congratulations, Nicole, because you graduated, wow, summa cum laude. Mula po sa San Francisco State University.
Yes.
How proud were you?
So proud. I always tell people that she's my pride and joy. A lot of things may have not been perfect in my life, but she's the most perfect thing. That's been close to perfect that was given to me by God.
How do you respond to that?
I'm not perfect, but I guess I'm like so close to it. According to mommy, di ba? Pero whenever po she expresses pride sa akin, parang napupuno po yung loob ko. I feel like may tama po akong ginagawa.
Oh. And you are doing a lot of things right. During your graduation, your mom was there, your dad was there,
Yes.
Norman. How was that?
It felt po different. Pero at the same time, para po siyang invigorating. Kasi parang nabuo ulit yung pamilya. And not just that, kasi meron na pong addition sa mga family namin. So my mom and my titas po, they were there po sa graduation ko. My dad and my stepmom. I feel like siguro kailangan talaga mag-diverge ng paths nila for the family to be more whole.
Parang sinasabi mo ngayon that you have a better understanding.
Yes po.
Did you explain to Nicole nung naghiwalay kayo ni Norman?
I did as much as I can, Kuya Boy, at that time because she was only 7 years old. At alam naman nating mga magulang kapag hindi talaga nagkakasundo ang tatay, ang nanay, at kailangan talaga nating mag-part ng ways kahit na mahirap sa ating mga kalooban, sa damdamin, at masakit para sa pamilya natin. I think it is the responsibility of either the father or the mother to tell or break the news to their child. And that's what I did.
Did you understand? Naunawaan mo nung nalaman mo at ipinaliwanag sa'yo na nagkahiwalay ang mom at dad?
Honestly po, nung bata ako, hindi ko po talaga siya naintindihan. Akala ko kailangan na may taong ibe-blame. Pero hindi po yun realistic. Kasi sometimes, ngayon na mas matanda ako, people are just different. And sometimes life takes you to different paths. And that's okay. If anything, sometimes it makes it better. So ngayon na mas matanda na ako, mas may pag-unawa na ako. Kasi may mga sacrifices po silang ginawa. Even just to stay together for as long as they did, lalo na para sa akin. So I'm so thankful for them po, both of them.
Pero this understanding is now happening in hindsight, di ba? Now that you're 24, you have a better understanding. Now at 24, you realize na magkaiba, may mga problema, etc. Pero nung ikay bata, paano ka naapektuhan? Were you asking the difficult questions?
I was asking if it was me. Kung ako yung may kasalanan.
Oh.
Kasi, yung problem po nun is, nasa Pilipinas kami, my dad naman nasa US. So, dahil ba nandito ako at malayo tayo, hindi pwede maging buo yung pamilya natin.
Mm.
I've always had doubts. And I thought, well, hindi pwede si mommy magkamali. Si daddy hindi pwede magkamali. Pero ako, siguro, I knew nung bata pa ako na I saw myself as human. So, kung silang dalawa, both of my idols, my heroes, hindi pwede magkamali. Siguro sa akin yung mali.
Oh. Okay. And then of course you realized na hindi pala ganon.
Hindi pala.
Did you know this, Cheryl? Were you aware?
Yeah, actually, this is a revelation. This is a revealing moment for me. And actually, I understand her better for that.
Ang
Na-
akala niya siya ang may kasalanan.
Yes. At nakakalungkot, nakakasama ng loob na ganun pala yung mga nararamdaman ng mga anak natin na hindi naman natin alam. They're just there in the crosshairs ng pagkahalimbawa at nagkahiwalay ang magulang, di ba? Kahit na nagmamahalan yung magulang natin, pero talagang hindi na sila magkasundo, it doesn't mean na it's a failure on the children's part or on the child's part.
Unexpressed yung iba.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Hindi na-articulate, hindi na ipapaliwanag.
Yes.
Ika nga ng isang kaibigan, they just ride the tide.
Yes.
Kasi maraming mga bagay talaga ang hindi naiintindihan. But after the separation, kumusta yung relasyon mo sa tatay mo?
Honestly po, I think mas naging light po siya. There used to be a heaviness. Tapos there was a sort of liberation po. I can say po, ngayon po, yung relationship namin, sobra na pong grounded. Mas lalo na,
At gusto mo yun?
mas gusto ko po yun.
Oh.
Kasi wala na pong bigat. So mas grounded siya kasi he's more honest and more straightforward. To the point po na, in a way, para po siya yung balance ko.
Have you become friends with Norman?
We're civil.
Yes,
We're
sure.
both proud of Ashley's achievements. And when we saw our daughter graduate sa college with the summa cum laude honor, we were both proud as parents.
Merong bahagi ng iyong pagkatao na nagwi-wish na sana'y
Sana'y mabuo pa rin kami. No. Honestly, no.
bakit?
Kasi po, I see po yung difference po in the way they both are.
Okay.
Basically as individuals kaysa sa parte ng isang unit. Dati parang sapilitan. Ngayon, I feel like may liberation or may freedom sila sa kanya-kanya nilang gawain. Lalo na with my stepmom, kung sila pa ni mommy, no offense. And I want to be able to meet her and have like very, very nice step-siblings na nag-guide din po sa akin. So I would say, para kaming unit, isang malaking mixed family.
I want to go to the summa cum laude thing. Summa cum laude to show business.
Yes,
Was
po.
that a difficult decision?
I would say no po. Kasi po, honestly, acting, story, and creation, since preschool po, I've always loved it po. I didn't think it would be my career path at first. Not until towards the end of college po, na I had a professor come up to me and say, you have potential. You should learn and then try to enhance it more. So since then, parang namulat lang ako. Sabi ko, kaya pala to. Kasi the person that's saying it is somebody na sa Amerika pa to. So, they don't know me. Wala silang pake sa mga family ko kasi
The power of words, no?
kasi walang bias. So parang, okay, if you see something in me, then maybe I can trust in myself more.
Anong reaksyon mo nung nalaman mo, she wanted to pursue acting?
At first, like any other parent, showbiz is very hard. And of course, I do not wish my kid not to be in here kasi it's in her blood. So, I know that she will always have something to fall back on because tapos naman siya ng kanyang pag-aaral. But of course, hindi ko sa kanya pwedeng ipagkait itong passion niya to pursue what is in her blood, which
Right.
is acting and the love of singing and creation, because she's also a talented writer. That's one thing na hindi pa alam ng mga tao.
When did you know na sikat ang angkan mo? When did you know that mom ay sikat na sikat?
Funny po. Grade school po, elementary school po. Nung bumibili po ako sa canteen, yung nagbebenta po ng french fries.
Dito?
Opo.
Okay.
Bibigyan niyo ako ng discount dahil anak ko rin Sheryl Cruz.
Okay. So sabi mo, okay, sikat
Kaya
pala ang
puto
mom.
pa ba ako?
Okay, doon mo nalaman.
Opo.
O, sumusulat ka, umaarte ka, subukan nga natin. Kasi parati ako nag-audition para sa mga producers. Wala pang kumukuha sa akin. Pero parati akong sumusubok sa aking pag-arte. Halimbawa, may eksena tayo ngayon. Meron kang mandiligaw, hindi siya type ng mommy. Ako naman ang tiyuhin mo, type na type ko. Kami ang nag-aaway. Ikaw naman, you're trying to convince mom at tutulungan kita that he's the right boy for you. Are you willing to take that scene? Improvisation lang. Game.
Go.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action!
Ano ba nakikita mo dyan sa lalaking yan?
Ma, mabait naman siya. Pogi naman siya. Matangkad pa siya.
Oh, yun naman pala,
Hindi
Sheryl.
pa naman siya nagbabald.
Oh, yun naman pala eh. Ano ba problema?
Ano ba yung ano?
Ma, tama na gusto mo ba? Walang buhok.
Parang ako yata ang pinariringgan mo. Napakasakit naman nun. Nicole, kakampi mo ako dito.
Ikaw talaga, Kuya Boy, yung impluensya mo dito, ha? Kay Nicole, ha? Ang lakas-lakas. Talagang magtiyo nga kayo.
Correct. Cut. Pero alam mo rin ba, Nicole, that your whole clan actually sings and dances. I mean, the whole clan. You're aware of this?
Yes, sobra po.
Di ba?
Sobra. Naririnig ko po yung boses niya hanggang kwarto ko pag nagkakaraoke po siya.
Okay.
Vice versa din ata.
What is your favorite song of
My
Mom?
favorite song of Mom, Mr. Dreamboy.
Kung meron kang isang piece of advice na may kinalaman sa pag-ibig para sa iyong anak, ngayong siya'y pumapasok na sa industriya, ano yun? An advice on love. Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy. We're back to the show. Kasama po natin Sheryl and Nicole. Bakit Sonora palang ginamit mo?
Kasi po, yung cruise is a legacy na po. Kilalang-kilala na po sila dito sa Pinas. So, yun po yung fraternal side po ng mom ko. This time po, gusto ko po mag-pay ng homage, pati i-honor naman po yung maternal side ng mama ko, which is my lola, Rosemary Sonora.
Rosemary and your tita,
Yes.
Yes.
Susan. One of the greatest actors in Philippine show business.
Period.
I love that. Period. Let's do Fast Talk, period.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sheryl, leading lady, main kontrabida.
Leading lady.
Strict mom, cool mom.
Strict mom.
Sweet, fierce.
Fierce.
Sheryl, game o pass, liligawan ng mas bata.
Game.
Game o pass, mag-aasawa muli.
Pass muna ako dyan.
Game o pass, susubukan ng teatro.
Ay, gagawin ko yan.
Oh, from 1 to 10, Sheryl. Bilang ina, rate yourself.
8.
Bilang actress.
8.
Bilang singer.
8.
Nicole, love team, solo star.
Both.
Pilipinas, Amerika.
Pilipinas.
Legacy, individuality.
Individuality.
Malambing ako kay mami kapag...
Kailangan ko ng baon.
Naiinis ako kay mami kapag...
Hindi nga sinasara yung pintuan ko.
Your showbiz crush.
David Licauco.
3 qualities of your dream boy.
Matangkad, mayaman, si David Licauco.
Nicole, yes or no? Doing kissing scenes.
No!
Yes or no? Nag-disapprove sa kadate ni mami.
Yes.
Oh, interesting. Yes or no? May boyfriend ngayon.
Wala.
Sa inyong dalawa, sino ang mas maganda?
Mommy!
Sino ang mas maarte?
Mommy!
Sino ang mas mataray?
Mommy!
Sino ang mas clingy?
Ako nga.
Mas romantic? Mas magastos?
Mommy!
Is that lights on or lights off?
Lights off!
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates!
Happiness.
Best time for happiness and chocolates.
Afternoon.
Night.
Your message for each other.
Well, Ashley, I wish you well in your showbiz endeavor and please don't lose your moral compass.
Ikaw naman, Nicole?
Mom, I wish you look after me all the time. And I wish that you keep doing well. And regardless of anything, I love you.
I love you.
Anong leksyon na may kinalaman sa pag-ibig ang parating ibinabahagi mo kay Nicole?
I want her to love herself more than whoever she's going to be loving and going to be spending the rest of her life with.
I remember the last time we spoke to each other, Cheryl,
Yes.
dito sa show, May of 2024. Di ba, we showed a photo. Sabi, hindi yan.
Oo,
Ito.
tapos I showed you.
Oo.
It was just a passing fling lang.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah. Kasi hindi naman seryoso. Kaya sabi nga ni Nicole, pag wala dito,
So, hindi natuloy.
hindi natuloy.
Okay.
Yun.
Pero ang tanong, kumusta ang lagay ng puso mo ngayon?
Sobrang saya.
Talaga?
First of all, I'm so happy because I'm so blessed because I'm working. I'm doing Born to Shine. I'm doing
That's
Kapatiran,
exciting.
yes, and that's exciting. And then I'm going to have a trip to India very soon. So I'll see all my friends in India.
You fell in love dito sa ating industriya. Nakaranas ka ng heartache. Oo.
Maraming heartaches,
Talaga?
maraming heartbreaks, maraming frustration, but
And
I
having
think
said
it's
that-
part. I think it's part of my journey, being an actress and being in this business for as long as I have been. Dahil 4 years old pa lang ako, Kuya Boy, nandito na ako sa show business and I'm already 51. So, yung...
And looking a lot younger than 51.
Wow, nice.
Hindi totoo
I hope
yan.
this is the new 30 na, diba? Yung
Ah,
ganyan.
sabi nga nila. Oo.
But you know, of course, I would like Ashley to have the time of her life here in show business. For whatever happens, if it's a roller coaster ride of emotions, then I just want her to enjoy the ride and know herself better than anyone else.
Okay. Kung nagtataka po kayo kung bakit ang tawag ni Cheryl ay Ashley, the name talaga of Nicole is Ashley
yes.
Nicole.
Ashley Nicole.
But you will be using Nicole
Yes po.
as an actor.
Yes.
Love.
Boy.
Thank you very much. I wish you the best.
Love you.
I love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nicole and Cheryl. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank
Maraming
you,
maraming
Kuya Boy.
salamat. And talk about your project with our friends.
Yes, with Manilyn and Christina Paner. Born to Shine, dito na yan sa GMA 7. Malapit nyo na po yung mapanood.
Maraming salamat. You were born to shine. Naitay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapapasok sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan, araw-araw. Be kind. Make your nanay proud and say thank you. And araw-araw ang daming challenges, ang daming mga pagdududa. Piliin ang tama. Gawin ang tama. Be who ang tama. Goodbye for now, and God bless.